Alright everybody, we're out here with some outside action with the Hasakee, I can never pronounce this right the first time, okay? It's that damn bumblebee that Ron sent me, okay? Enough of this nonsense. Let's just get the video started. That works for me. Ow. Oh, I think that's the flip button. There's the first rate. Got to get the trim going. There's the second rate. There's a flip for the kiddies. Oh yeah, this thing's great, man. I think, Ron, you really screwed up, man. Okay, you really mucked up. You should have kept this one forever. I'm gonna run the whole battery, so I'm gonna get the flight time in there. And we'll get the video. It's a great little quadcopter, man. Easy to fly. Real nice. It's a little twitchy in the third rate. The second rate is good for just casual flying like I'm doing right now. That's the second rate there. The third rate was it's a little twitchy. Put it in the third rate. You'll see the difference. Here's the punch out. It has none, okay? So the punch out is nil, okay? Here's the yaw speed in the third rate. Which is pretty decent. But it has a lot more pitch in the third rate. You see how fast the turns are too, so this is the third rate here. See, it's a lot faster. Lot faster. Let me stop it for a minute and check on the video. I guess it's still working. You know, the camera's not adjustable, so let's check out the punch on the third rate. Now, I really wouldn't trust this thing as far as range. This is probably as far as I would go with this thing here. Right there, I re-trimmed it again. Yeah, this is about as far as I would go with this. As far as, you know, any kind of distances or anything like that. You know, this is like a perfect amount of space. You know, it's like a backyard type deal, so. And you see in the first rake, it's no pitch at all on this thing. I mean, zero. That's it right there. I got a full stick forward right there, going that way. And it's, you see how slow it is, right? We'll kick it to the second rake. See, big difference. I'm just running out the battery right now. Let me stop the video so it won't get corrupted. The video so far has been going for 5 minutes and change. So we stopped the video. Uh-oh. Boy, I did that in the nick of time, didn't I? Yep, battery's dying. Doesn't really give you no kind of warning. It just crashes and burns, which that's okay. You know, it doesn't hurt anything. This thing is pretty much indestructible, to be honest with you. It's not gonna, nothing major here is gonna happen. Okay, you're not gonna tear nothing up with this. And it's, you could probably crash this thing a million times and never break anything. So, all right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.